how to turn messages or quote requests for my business on and off. Now, to enable or disable messages and quote requests for your business on Yelp, kindly follow the steps that I'll be showing or teaching you in this video. The first step is to log in into your Yelp for Business account. And how do you log in? After logging into yelp.com, move to the right side of the screen where you can see Yelp for Business, and then select login to business, to business accounts, claim a business, or add a business, depending on the category you fall into. And after you've signed in and you've logged in, on the page, move to the top right side of the screen or wherever it's located, and then navigate to your account settings. All right. So once you're in your account settings page, move to the left side of the screen. You will see a navigation bar. All right. Amongst this navigation bar, look for the communication preferences section. So under this section, adjust your preferences to receive or stop receiving notifications related to your messages and quote requests. And from here, once you've enabled it, you can now decide to either turn on your messages or quote requests, or to turn it off straight away. But your major focus is by working with your communication preferences, so as you can carry out all of the settings required. So this is how you can go about it. This is how you can turn messages or quote requests for your business on or off. Thanks for watching and have a good day.